was built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. With all I'm achieving, got my foot on the gas. Never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. With all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas. Never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
I was built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. With all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas. Never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah.
Sumusunod eh. This is, I think this I don't know kung kanino to sa perayan niya. Ganda yung sunod ah. So far, very consistent. Talagang kung nasa likod. Ganda yung sa Dapat supposed to be nandito ako bukas eh. Pero, dito ako nagtitira pagka Sunday.
Hindi rin kayo ha.
Busy.
Tagal ko na rito siguro ko. Ano na ako rito?
Mas matagal kayo dito?
Oo, dito talaga ako.
Saan ka ba? Pero, mabilis lang naman.
Dito ko rin na, dito talaga yung ano. Dito talaga yung pinaka home ano ko.
Comfort.
Kaya yung mga staff niya kilala ko.
Ako dito 5 minutes lang.
Dati dito ako Thursday and Thursday and Sunday. Pero tinitawag ko na yung Thursday dito sa YouTube.
Wow.
Binigay ko na yung iba yung plus ko dito. Si Josh, di naman masyadong dalawa. Ang dalawa yan, active pa rin yun.
Sa ibang
Neto lang, last week. Na ano, ay nakalaro siya. Tumama yung tuhod. Isa sa side niya. Namakano yun ito.
medyo one-sided pa.
Kasi sabi ko, shit.
Pansin mo rin.
Napansin, hindi naman one-sided, pagdating yung usual, doon na kumahabol. Momentum na wala, tapos tumawag pa siya ng violation. Tapos pero, nag-register sa akin isang passing time mo. Sabi ko, hindi pwedeng tawagan ng 5 seconds violation yun kasi allow silang mag-time out if they have a time out. Yeah. Ay nung cleaner with the table, hindi kuya mo time out. Keep it to them. Kasi sabi ko, time out muna bago violation. Tama. Sabi ko, kung wala silang time tapos
Technical.
Technical, definitely.
Malinis naman. Sinabi ko yun sa team eh, guys. Yung time out di natin gagamitin kasi crucial. So kapag kailangan nyo talaga ng time out sa floor, which is in yung nangyari, nagamit nila ng time. Muntik lang hindi na tayo.
Pero matubigyan naman talaga. Hindi ko yun, regulation pa siya. Sabi ko, tama naman.
Hindi mo kasi rinig yung side ng score.
Yung mga remedy kasi naka-bonus game sa mga player. Siyempre, of course.
Lalo na mataas yung tension.
Sabi ko, 100% tama yung tayo. Pagdating yung sabi ko, pagdating din sa nag-register sila ng priority yun. Tapos nagsabi sa akin yung isang remedy si Jerry. Sabi niya, kuya, paano yun sila? Sabi niya gano'n, kung sila tumawag ng time. Sabi ko, hindi po pwedeng tumawag.
Wala sa kanilang bola eh.
Wala sa defense nila yung bola. Pero kung Red Bull yun, pwede.
And I think they beat there.
Nakayayayari talaga na. Kaya pumunta ako. Pero sabi ko, sa round 3 and 4, ako magre-rest. Tapos, okay. Hindi, kailangan. Pero matagal na ko nang
Oo.
kasama rin yung mga rep kami.
Pero bago lang siya sa, so di nga masyadong kilala mga.
Kaya nga sabi ko,
Siya ba yung nag-technical kay Stephen?
oh, kinakausap ako ni Steven eh.
May edit na naman yung mga rep ko.
Sabi kasi, sinab daw siya ni Ryan. Sino? Yan.
Oo.
Tapos electrical siya. Sinabi ko naman, nagpaalam ko na sa admin before, nag-ano ko na, tawag ko na, before, sabi ko na mag-resident si lahat naman ng sinasabi ko na pero kung sinabi na yung kung sinabi ng admin na hindi ko pwede kasi then ako allow him like you know to do that kasi pero the first week wala ako na
Oo. Kung saan naman yung trip niyo?
15? 15?
Saan kayo napunta? Gano'ng katagal?
Sa Pilipinas tapos Dandalusia.
Wow! Saan kayo sa Japan?
Ilan din yun? Tayo, Yokohama, Osaka,
Sa banda. Ano kayo? Pina-season? Ang daming tao.
kasi ano na dun, spring, fall, ay, spring pala, oo.
Yung mga blossoms,
Wala nila na nabutan.
kakatapos lang.
Oo, nakatapos. Maganda, maganda.
Sumunod lahat. Nakita
Perfect. Pati nga sa akin, sumusunod eh. So,